Hello, it's Love at Home with Kim. So today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of YSL or Saint Laurent. So here you go. My husband and I are celebrating our 2nd year wedding anniversary, and this is what he got me. Ta-da! So I'm pretty sure you can guess that it's actually a bag, and I'm so excited because this is the first time that I'll be opening this one since he got it for me. So here, as you can see, it's a huge paper bag and the box. I'm so excited. Okay. So here you go. I've always been looking at different kinds of reviews for the bags, and usually when my husband would give me something as a gift, it's not usually a surprise. It's usually something that I actually like, because he doesn't want to give me anything that he's not sure of, you know. So he would just say, oh, let's go to a store, and then if he sees me liking something, really like something, he would just surprise me by purchasing it, and I'm like, oh, I thought we were just window shopping. Anyways, so we got this, the box, and da-da-da-da. Oops, ow, my thigh. So as you can see, it's a mini bag. I don't know if you could guess what this is. This is so exciting. Da, 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 da. It's the toy Lulu bag. Oh my goodness. I've been debating whether to get the Lou camera bag, which is in gray. If I do have a picture of that, I'm gonna put it over here, or this one. So I've also asked my wonderful SA, her name is Kim, and I asked her for beige, green, and gray colors for the toy Lulu and the Lou camera bag. So it seems to be complicated at first, like everything's like Lulu, you know, whatever. But yeah, I've tried them on, and for some reason this color really captured my heart. Apart from the fact that this bag is so cute and squishy. Look at this, it's so nice. I just love the green color, especially the fact that the cooler season is gonna come up soon, even though it's still summer. I could see myself rocking this bag. Actually, I don't care. I'm gonna wear this in all seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter, I don't care. This is so cute. So yeah. What is the color of this bag? What do you call this color? It doesn't have any, yeah, it doesn't say the color. So here you go. You open it. It has the magnetic closure in it. And I'm just gonna remove all of the stuff inside here. Okay, so it comes with a strap. So the strap is here. Just gonna remove the tissues. Oh, it's so itchy. And what is this? Oh, for the, I guess, the card container. This is the Saint Laurent. Okay, this is just a whatever card that shows the warnings and stuff, which just includes some information, just some stuff that I think California would impose to different kinds of brands to show that, you know, the materials in here, blah, 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 I don't know, whatever. Let me see. So I just want to remove these things. Okay, getting a little bit rush. Okay. I just want to remove these things. I'm just a little bit rough here. How do I? Wait a minute. Okay, I'm just gonna tear all these. So you can totally tell that no one has ever probably tried this on, because the other bags that I was trying on did not have this thing, but this does. So clearly shows that it's really brand spanking new. So here you go. So cute. All right, it kind of looks black over here. I'm not really sure if it looks black on camera, but it's this dark green color. It's not too bright. That's why I like it. And I'm gonna show you a different kind of shot over here. So here, ouch. So it has different compartments. It has a zipper compartment over here. And then another compartment here beside the zipper compartment. You also have another compartment here with this card that has information about the bag here. And then another compartment here. Plus, if you can see, I'm not really sure because the lighting is a bit off. There are card slots here in case you would like to use this to put your credit cards and all stuff. So yeah, it's a very cute mini bag which fits the essential stuff. Not really a lot, but I have the biggest iPhone here, so I can easily put my iPhone here. And I think that's the most important part for me in a bag. If it doesn't fit my phone, then sorry, I'm not that rich to to spend money on a bag that won't fit my phone. So yeah, it will fit the phone easily, and then probably a card case here, and then my keys, and that's about it. I mean, because of this whole situation with the COVID, I'm not really bringing a lot of stuff. It's just more of the keys, cards, wallet, ID, that's it. That's pretty much it, and phone. So yeah, I'm loving this bag. So I'm going to show you a mod shot of me wearing this bag so you have a clear idea of how long the straps are. And take note that I am 5'5" or about 165 centimeters tall. So as you can see, this bag has silver hardware, and it's, I don't know if it's, do you call that gunmetal? But it's not the silver hardware, which I totally love because I want something that's quite casual. And look here. Just a quick story time of how we purchased this bag during this quarantine time. So Costa Mesa Mall is still open. However, it's either for curbside pickup or for appointment only, and we didn't know that we had to go there via appointment basis. But luckily, we called the YSL store when we were already in Costa Mesa Mall, or South Coast Plaza Mall, and they actually said that we can get an appointment right then and there. So I asked my SA, hey, can I see this, and this colored bags? And she said, yeah, sure. So it's a different kind of setup. Instead of going inside the store in the mall, because you cannot go there anymore, because they closed the entrances for the mall, so no one can totally enter there except for employees. There's a part in the, I think, Palazzo? I forgot the term. But there's a part there in South Coast Plaza Mall wherein they turned it into like an outdoor place that has different stalls. So they subdivided the entire open area into different stalls of the different boutiques. So they have the YSL, they have the, I think they have the other high-end brands there. And you go there on an appointment basis. So when I went there, I just saw one customer in the YSL boutique stand. So she was about to leave because she's already done with her purchase, and they already accommodated me there. So it was just me, and there's totally social distancing there because there's barely anyone there. And yeah, I just tried on the stuff. There's a mirror also there, but it's not the actual store. So they just bring you the items that you wanted to see via appointment basis. It's not like, you know, entering a boutique, having a boutique experience, seeing everything in the store displayed. So they just give you the items that you requested for. You just try them on. That's it. Very quick. So yeah, that was actually a good experience. You still get to have the special boutique experience somehow because they're still very accommodating, but yeah, you don't get to go to the actual store anymore. They just show you the items that you wanted to see in person. And yeah, that's about it. That is all I have for you today. So I just wanted to share my excitement in having this little cutie as a part of my collection. So if you like videos like this, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content about homemaking or other unboxings like this, and also cooking, cleaning motivations, and all of that good stuff every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!